Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. I greet you in respective of your time which you are actually watching this video right now and right here. So right now guys, I want to actually show you guys how you can actually make money on Upwork. Yes guys, so these are the tips and tricks for actually getting your first client on Upwork. Yes guys. So the first one on my list is so and so. So I've not actually started it yet, guys. Please and please, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that like button so that more people can actually see the analysis which we're actually breaking up here and to make more money for yourself with faith. Yes guys, so please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you wouldn't miss out on any further video which we actually publish here on this channel again. With that being said guys, and without any further ado, if you're new here, you're welcome. To my 20 subscribers, welcome back. Let's get into the video guys. Hello and welcome back from that short break. So right now guys, the first one on my list is no other ones but showing your proofs. Yes guys, so who don't actually need proof? Now let's turn this scenario to you. Let's turn it upside down to like you are the client which want someone to actually do something for you or wants a job done for you. Now wouldn't you actually need a proof to show that this person which you want to actually give this job needs, can do this job perfectly and has done it before several times? I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about. So he's a professional there. Why would you say he's a professional? Even if you say with mouth, you need proofs, guys. You need proofs. So you should drop down your proofs, and if possible, guys, you can actually draft out or bulk, all your proofs in a Google Docs or on a Google Drive. Sorry, and it will actually make your work more compatible and more easier for you. Yes guys, so the next one on my list is actually optimizing your profile. Now when I say optimizing your profile, in the sense that you can actually write a profitable brief, that is a bio on your Upwork account. Now your bio, I know everyone actually has a bio, an info in his bio, what he actually writes there, but please make your own perfect. Say a whole lot about yourself and make it brief. Say perfect things that if you turn the table around to your own perspective, you would actually be able to hire this person to do this job for you. Yes guys, so the next one, and if possible guys, you can actually wear a suit, wear an eyeglass. It makes you look smart, and it makes you look smart enough. Yeah, so the next one on my list is actually, if possible, you can add a link to your sites or your Facebook page. Yes, you might have a website. Just make your profile look professional. Now you can have a site. You can embed your site link that's connected with your Upwork account, and even if possible your Facebook page, and if possible if it's verified, if the Facebook page is verified, it's actually cool. And maybe a Skillshare account, that's where you have skills there, Upwork, so many of them guys, where you can actually embed your Skillshare link or connect your Skillshare verified accounts, or any Coursera accounts, or even anyone you can actually do, and it's actually cool. Fill in your verifications now, your qualifications, sorry. Fill in your qualifications now. That means that in the sense that you fill in your school, where you schooled, are you a graduate or not? Just make it looks very, very, very professional, that you would actually be, if the table turns around, as I said earlier, you can actually hire that person if you are to be the client. Now if you are the person looking for someone to do a job, a well done job for you. Yeah, so the next one on my list is actually very, very important, very, 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 very important, making your price ridiculously very low. Guys, cut your price at least 70% or even half of your client's budget, at least for the first time, so they know you're actually doing something right, and it will make them come back for you even again and again and again and again. I don't know if you understand. Since you are looking for your first job, guys, beat down the price. Everyone, there are so many qualified people on Upwork. Yes guys, so you want to actually beat them by reducing your price. Now let's say you guys have everything in common. Now you guys have Skillshare, everything, your profile is optimized well, but their price is higher than yours. and you see, okay, I'm sure you know they are going to choose the person with the lower price and the same qualifications. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying about. What I'm trying to say, but please make your price low for the first time, or when looking for your first client online. That's on Upwork, guys. Yes. So the next one is actually creating a creative cover letter. Now, there's what we call cover letter on Upwork. Yes, guys, that's the proposals. If I'm to say it perfectly, the proposals, that's the cover letters. Now, when you are writing your proposals, make sure you write it perfect. Make sure you don't, make some mistakes in any of the letters which you are writing. If possible, mention the client's name in the letter, and it will actually make him know that, okay, you are. And there are some clients literally that put some number maybe at the body of the letter or of their job description. They'll put a particular number. Let's say they put 100. Now they will say, you should, okay, write this number for me in your proposal if you've read everything. So they want to actually know if you've read all their description and you understand everything about the job which you are applying for. It will actually help you to get your very, very first client online, and very, very easy for you if you actually beat up all these things which I'm actually telling you guys right now. So I have 3 left to go, which is actually clients' requirements must be met. Yes, guys. So clients' requirements, there's no how you don't want to actually meet the client's requirement, because it will actually come back more and more and often to bring you more jobs. And yes, so meet the client's requirements. And with that being said, I think he'll be actually perfect, and he'll be very, very okay to bring you more jobs every other time he actually has some jobs to be done. Yes, guys. So after that is you read your cover letter to yourself and see if it's actually appealing to you. Read the cover letter to yourself. You've written the cover letter, right? Before you propose to the job, before you send the job to your client, read the cover letter, everything. Check out every bit of your profile to check if it's actually appealing to you as a client. Now put yourself in the shoes of that client and see if it's actually appealing to you before you can send it out. These clients are most often international clients who are actually kind of rich. And I think I made my first dollar on freelancing. I think not freelancing on affiliate, but freelancing. I made my first dollar freelancing, guys. So that is really, really easy. I don't really talk about Upwork that much on this channel. That's why I literally, and as you can see, that account, there's an account which I actually made the first day. I think the first week I got over $20, and right now that gig right now, as I don't really use that because that's not my real profile. I don't really use it, and I've gotten I think over $1,000 on that account, which is actually cool if you know what you are doing on Upwork. Yes, guys. So with that being said, if you've written your letter, try using Grammarly. There's what we call Grammarly. There's a software called Grammarly. Try using it to rephrase. It's a bot. It's an AI bot. Try using it to rephrase your words. Check it out every bit of those letter which you've actually done, and it will actually make you outstanding in all people. Yes, guys. So in all of them. And last but not the least, apply for so many jobs on Upwork. So there are tons of jobs on Upwork to be done. Apply for so many of them, and you will actually beat up the space and make more money for yourself. With that being said, guys, I think that will be all. But please, there's what we call connect. Don't forget to actually maximize your connect. Don't use or misuse your connect. If I'm to say, don't misuse your connect. Try to maximize it. Use it perfectly for yourself, and I think you'll make your first dollar freelancing. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.